Hello, in this video we will discuss about rpm-gpg key error, which is appearing when you are trying to install Oracle previous version on latest Linux, Oracle Linux or Red Hat Linux, it will be same. So we will discuss about the problem Oracle database, for example 12c r2 or any database what you ever are trying to install. So you will try to install the pre-install, which will install all the rpms required, all the packages required for this installation, but it is getting failed with rpm-gpg-key already installed for different Linux release. So how we can solve this? Or you can face some kind of error like rpm-gpg-key got corrupted, or might be before you installed on this version some latest Oracle and now you are trying to install previous version like 11g r2, and before you installed 21c or 19 or 18c, then you will face these type of errors. So how we can verify the Oracle Linux downloads? You need a checksum file corresponding to the ISO you downloaded, the public GPG key to verify the Oracle key used to sign the checksum file. The checksum file contains a list of files that are part of a download package with the corresponding checksums as well as a GPG signature. The GPG signature enables anyone to verify that checksum file was published by Oracle. The below steps describe how to verify the checksum file itself and then verify the contents of the Oracle Linux download by checking against the checksum file. Import. We need to import Oracle Linux GPG key. So how we can import this to our Oracle Linux release? For Oracle Linux 9, you will write the command curl https://yum.oracle/rpm-gpg-key-oracle.ol9, as you can see on the screen, $gpg -2 -signs import. For Oracle 8, same command, you have to change ol8. By this way it will download the required file. For Oracle Linux 7, you need to just change 8 to 7, same command, ol7, and for Oracle Linux 6 you will change ol6, because other file name is same, so no need to repeat for me. You can see the commands on screen. Download and verify checksum file. Download the appropriate checksum file by previous commands and place it in the same directory as the Oracle Linux download. To verify the checksum file, you have to write these commands: gpg two -signs, verify -files, and the checksum file name. Sample command is also in front of you, so you can understand how you will write it. After verifying the checksum file, verify the download as follows: grep ISO file name, checksum file, hash. The command is in front of you, so sample command is also written there, so you can verify by this way. It depends on what release you are doing, so your file name will be same as it is. So for Oracle 9, now key fingerprints, how we generate the key fingerprints. For Oracle 9, you will write the command curl and you mention https minus, and then you will mention all the as written yum.oracle rpm-gpg-key oracle ol9 for Linux 9 ol9 -o rpm-gpg-key Oracle. And next command you can see GPG key ID format ox long dash 2 minus signs with fingerprint rpm-gpg-key Oracle. Next you can see the result, what is appearing after running the command. So same for other Linux, you will run the commands. You will just change the version number because command will be same. As you can see on the screen, for Linux 8, for Linux 7, first you have to download, then you have to generate the key fingerprint. Okay, so ready to install. Now you can run pre-installed requisites for required Oracle database. For example, for latest release of Linux, instead of yum, dnf also available. So dnf install -y, then you can write Oracle Database Server 12 CR to pre-install or whatever version you are going to install. By this way, it will be very easy. You can install any Oracle version on any Linux. And this is the great thing, because last time I installed on Oracle 8, Oracle 11G, and I was facing these problems, and after a long search I found this good solution on internet. So I thought it is good if I can make one proper video on that and share with you guys. I hope it will be great help for everyone. So it is a small video, but it will be a great help, I believe. Thank you for listening and watching. So we will meet again in any next video. I will be glad to know if anyone want to ask something specific for any help. Thank you.